Today I want to talk about health and fitness and business and the way they come together and work together very, very well. And it's seriously important to be healthy, to be fit, right? To eat correctly, eat the right stuff every day and have an actual meal plan of some sorts. And then during the weekend you can have your cheat meal, so to say, and actually enjoy yourself in that regard then. But you certainly can enjoy yourself while being on a good, healthy diet, right? You got to get creative with the food, cook it yourself, and that's enjoyable. It relieves the stress for me of business is actually cooking the food, going for a walk, going to the gym, going for a run. Okay. I used to, when I was building my business for the first 6 months at least, I didn't go to the gym. I stopped going to the gym because I didn't have time, even though that was me telling myself, I don't really want to go to the gym. This is a good excuse to not go. Okay. And there was no way I would have had time, right? But I could have definitely gone 2 or 3 days a week and just kept it steady with my health and fitness goals. Okay, but instead I gave up. Instead I built a belly, literally. I started getting much heavier. And I went from I would think about 70 kg to about 90 in that time frame. And I've worked downward again, and well, I'm near the 90, but I'm much leaner, I'm much healthier now. But this is a process. This is a year later now. Okay, so I'm in much different shape. The chins were showing a bit more, everything, right? I was leaving myself go in order to succeed with the business, and I was building up more and more stress by doing so. Okay, so when the last few months, and do you know what, even this week, in the last week, I've started running and walking more. So I've been doing 2 kilometer runs, and it's been so good for my mental health, literally, and my mindset. And in turn, it helps me create better content. It makes me much clearer. I don't have any fuzziness to my head anymore. I'm just able to do the work. I'm able to get into the deep work better. I don't constantly need distractions, I feel like. For the past couple of months, I feel like I've had to play like a YouTube video in the background or playing Netflix in the background. I couldn't stay in silence. There was always something I needed there to actually be in the background. And it annoyed me, to be honest, because it distracted me. No matter what I said to myself, it still distracted me because, oh, that sounds interesting. Let me change tab. Let's see what's happening on the video, right? So you get distracted then, and if you get distracted for 5 minutes, it generally takes about 23 minutes to get back. That's how crazy it is to get back into that deep work flow state. It can take 23 minutes to get back, right? So distractions are vital to get rid of, right? So set up a schedule for yourself. I have a book here, and I have my schedule every single day. Right, I know exactly what I need to do. When I'm done, I scribble out the task, and it's a very successful day. The gym is in this pretty much every day, right? I have the gym today, 4 o'clock. I'm going to be going there then, okay? Some days I go in the morning, some days I go at night. It doesn't matter, right? Just work it around your work schedule and your 9 to 5. Incorporate the gym, incorporate walking. I've been on 2 walks this morning already, and I think it's like 1 o'clock for me right now, 11:30, and I feel better. My mind felt a bit fuzzy this morning, so I went for a walk and I felt better. And again, I started building up after a bit of deep work. I started feeling crap, getting a bit flustered, and again I went and did a walk. So don't doubt the confidence that fitness can bring you. Don't doubt that. Don't say to yourself that, I can't do the work if I'm going to the gym for an hour and I'm getting in walk for an hour. You can do this. Be acceptable with work, right? Be acceptable that you can continue your day and enjoy the fact that you can go out for a walk. Enjoy the fact that you can go to the gym, lift heavy shit, right? Enjoy that fact and understand if you're tracking your weights as well and how much you're trying to run, compete with yourself. Like I literally, this is my partner's old watch and it's pink, right? Whatever. I'm wearing this now with a week because I want to make sure that I'll actually use one when I buy one, or if I want to buy one. So I plan on buying an Apple one, but I'm just using this to make sure that, okay, I'm actually staying committed to this. But I think the commitment will come even more so when I do spend a bit of money on a watch that I like. Okay, so make these commitments to yourself. Have competition, compete. I found I did my first 2 kilometer run just under a week ago, about a week ago, and I did it with my partner, and it made it much more competitive, and I wanted to push harder and harder. But the next time I did it on my own, and it actually became more difficult. Right, so surround yourself with people that will push you. Surround yourself with good, healthy, wealthy, ambitious people. Right, it's really, really important. So this is kind of just a small rant about health and fitness and how it combines with business. Once you get your health and fitness that goes down, your business will run much better. You'll be a better person overall. You'll stress less in the business, because when you get to certain income levels, stress is inevitable. It's very difficult to deal with at times. And I found cooking, walking and running for me is the best thing. I get in the gym anyway to lift weights. That's just because I want to get stronger. I don't really enjoy lifting weights. I enjoy running, walking, and cooking. Unusual, I was eating microwave meals for the past probably 2, 3, 4 years. And recently I started cooking some steak, potatoes, pasta, chicken, different things like that. And I'm really enjoying it. And it's satisfying then eating it because it's actually nice, but it's still healthy. So that's my little rant about health, fitness, and business, how it all combines together. I think you're nothing. If you don't have those things combined, you don't have anything. Because if you don't have your health, you can't have wealth. You can't spend your money. And if you don't have wealth, then having that fitness at least will help you level up and have that determination to build that wealth. So have something, okay? But occupy it with the other thing and build on all fronts, okay? Take care. Thanks for watching.